Ready? Say when?
Now.
Hey! Today we're doing a video on French toast, sausage, which I like this. This is the banquet brown maple sausage. It's totally delicious. And we're making French toast. And 3 for me and 3 for my son. And we're gonna have that ready to heat that up. And now we're gonna do French toast with cinnamon, of course, and nice and buttery. Get some butter, and this is something you could do at home. And this video is not only about French toast. This video is about these GraniteStone pans. I bought them on Amazon. They're called GraniteStone 2-pack non-stick 10.5 grill pans, and flats. They're both flat surface, and the pair of them was $39.99, and I found them really nice. And we're going to make some French toast with it. So if you want to know about the pans, the video is going to tell you about the pans, and we're going to do French toast on them. And we're going to make some sausage, and we're using sliced brick bread that we bought in Walmart. Where are you? Ta-da! And Walmart eggs, the large grade 8 eggs. And to make the French toast, generally you need about 1 egg for each slice. So we'll get that going. 1, 2. We're going to do 2 slices each. 2 for me, 2 for my son. And I don't know if you ever made French toast, but it's yum, 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 yum. And it's great with a little maple sausage on the side. It's totally delicious. And you got to add fork. There's a fork. Yep. There's a fork. Hello. There we go. We got a fork. And we need a little milk. And this is what you do. You put your eggs in the pan. It's nice to have a flat bowl like I'm using instead of a bowl with the big pitch on it. And that's what's great about the flat pans. So break your yolk, and you're going to add a little milk into the eggs, just like you do scrambled eggs. And that's going to make the eggs nice and creamy. And you can use a whisk if you like whisks. And let's warm up our pan. And let's get some butter going on that pan. Get some butter going on the pan. Get the sausage in the microwave. Take those things out of there. And we're going to have a totally delicious breakfast there. And we're going to show you how nice that pan is. These GraniteStone pans. So if you're here for the French toast, or the sausage, or the video on the pans, you're going to learn how they're made. You get your cinnamon ready. Let's do one side of the, let's do 1:11 on the sausages, and then we'll be flipping them over. And a little bit here. Let's get this pan going here. Get it nice and buttery. Good buttery pan. You don't need the pan. It's excellent. It doesn't stick. The butter's here really for the flavor, because these pans are pretty nice. They things don't stick to them. So the eggs are whipped up nice, and we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon there in the eggs. That pan's getting hot now. Come on, cinnamon. Come on out there. And basically, I don't think you need to know cinnamon. It's cinnamon. McCormick cinnamon. And we're going to put the little, and you get your slice in there. This brick bread is nice too. It's a fresh bread. It doesn't have the additives in it. And it's available at Walmart. And this is not a Walmart commercial. This is just me telling you what I like. And we're going to fit 4 of these on there. So roll them sausages over a little bit.
Damn hot.
You can use a knife, roll the sausages over, and we're getting this French toast going. Are you shaking that camera roll over? You're gonna do some cutting on that camera, huh? Here we go, 2. Let that egg soak into the bread nice. Maybe a little more cinnamon. Let's do a little more cinnamon there. I like lots of cinnamon.
How much time?
There we go, the last slice.
How much time on the new microwave?
Oh, about another 111. So it'll be 2 minutes, 22 seconds in total. So there we go, and we get the last one going on there. And we're going to move it around a little here. Beautiful. And we're going to have some wonderful French toast with the cinnamon on there. And we're going to make it nice and buttery. Some butter in there. There you go. And let's do a flip. Look, these pans are great. Nothing's sticking on there. We're going to flip the ones. So we're going to have to flip them again there. That's the first flip. Let's get it nice and buttery. I like butter. Yes. I like butter and butter likes me. And that's probably why I'm so fat. We got butter around. And we got some maple syrup. Maple sausage. And we're doing Hungry Jack. Hungry Jack syrup. So, put that in the video too. I'm gonna heat it up. How's that sausage doing?
Complete. Oh shit,
yeah,
it's steaming.
It's roasting, huh? So we don't want to burn our fingers. Let's get our plates ready. So this is the other pan. We're not cooking with the other pan. It's kind of like
for grilled cheese.
Great for grilled cheese or burgers and stuff like that. It's got the lines in it.
It's for grilling.
And yeah, it's for grilling. So that pan I've only used a few times. It was nice. And I'm going to put our plates here, have them ready. And let's flip it over again. See, you flip it over a couple times, it's going to be nice and hot. You're going to get your French toast nice and hot. See, that one's starting to cook good.
Ooh, yeah.
Doesn't that look delicious? Yeah, this one needs to cook a little more. And let's grab that sausage out of there. While that's cooking, we get our sausage right here. It's good to get some paper towel. My mom always said, you got to squeeze the grease off your sausage a little bit because that'll give you a tummy ache if you don't. 3 for me, 3 for my son, whose name he doesn't want to be used.
Anonymous.
My anonymous son. All right. How's that look? Oh, that's coming out nice, huh? Look at that. Oh, that one.
That one's done.
That one's done, huh? I think these are done. How's that look, huh? Yeah. I think this side needs to get done a little more. You get a little more heat in the center of the pan. It's not the pan's issue. It's because you're using a round circle there. You know? My wife says it doesn't get so hot around there, but I think it eventually heats up around the edges there. And it's nice. So we're going to put a little butter on the done ones. You want the butter on yours or what? Or
yes, I want butter.
You want extra butter on there?
Actually, no butter.
No
just
butter?
maple syrup.
Okay, then you got these.
Yeah, that one's cooked.
I think they're ready.
Yeah, they're good.
Ready to go.
Cooked enough.
Turn off your burner. And voila. It's French toast and sausage. And with our new granite pans, which are kind of wonderful, which I suggest don't go throwing this into the sink on the hot water. Not a good idea. Put it off on the side, let it cool, and then you wash it up. Okay, son, tell me how it is. How's that French toast?
Yes.
Big thumbs up.